I'm testing a few batteries out of the Prius high voltage hybrid batteries. Just doing a little experiment to look at 3 different batteries. One is a good battery, but it's not been reconditioned. Number 2 has been charged and discharged 4 times with a Supermate DC6 hobby charger. And the third one is from a battery that I reconditioned using the Hybrid Automotive prolonged reconditioning process. What I've done is got an old light here out of a Prius to put a load on the batteries, and we're going to test each one for 2 minutes. So we'll put it on, press the start button, and check the voltage. Started at 7.39, and we'll let that run for 2 minutes. I've got the surface voltage started at 7.51. This battery's from an 04 that I parted out. After 2 minutes with a load on it, it's 7.18. Write that down. Now we're going to look at the second one. Was charged and discharged using the Supermate DC6. Starting voltage of surface voltage of 7.94. Start that. 7.67. And the third one is from a battery that, like I said, I reconditioned with the Hybrid Automotive Prolong grid charger. Okay, the surface voltage on it was 7.94, 7.82. We're just looking at how the battery does with the load on it. Load being the light, of course. After approximately 2 minutes, we end up with 7.68. When you put it on, it immediately dropped down to 7.84, 7.68. So here's number one, good but not reconditioned, from an 04. Starting surface voltage of 7.51 with the load came down to 7.39. After 2 minutes of a load, ended up at 7.18, which is it means it went down 0.21 volts. Number two is the Supermate reconditioned. The final discharge was 6043 mAh and the final charge was 7501. Surface voltage was 7.94 with a load 7.82. After 2 minutes of a load, came down 0.15 volts. And number three is from a battery. It's an 05 that I reconditioned using the Hybrid Automotive Prolong stunt reconditioning process. Surface voltage was 7.94 with the load 7.84. After 2 minutes, 7.68 with a decrease in voltage of 0.16. So I think what this shows here is that using the Supermate and the Prolong both did about the same. We see about the same improvement in the batteries over a module that hasn't had anything done to it. That's approximately the same age. So you see a greater decrease in voltage with that one than you do with the other two that have been charged and discharged.